Hello, my beautiful dolls. Excuse my long absence, but life happens. But I'm back with a very colorful makeup look. For primer, I'm using the Tarte Color Clay Primer. I'm just gonna put that all over my lid and blend it with my finger. Now this is Divina Cosmetics Bambi. And I'm just gonna warm up my crease and blend it. Now I'm gonna pick up Divina Cosmetics Maniac and darken up my crease and give it a nice smoky look. Next, this is Mary Kay's Kohl, and I'm just gonna apply it to the outer corner of my lid. Now I'm picking up Blazed, also by Divina Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna apply it right to the center of my lid in a dome shape. Now this is Too Shy by ColourPop, and with a small eyeshadow brush, I'm just gonna apply it to the inner corner of my lid and sweep it over the red eyeshadow and just a little bit into it. Now I'm gonna use Euphoria by Divina Cosmetics to highlight my inner corner. And with Inglot's gel liner, I'm gonna line it and give it wings. Sorry, I kind of forgot about the camera in this part, but you can still kind of see it. And for eyelashes, I'm using Ace Beauty and Style Keras. Now with ColourPop's Bee Sting, I'm gonna make my wings fly into the blue sky. So what I'm doing is just underlining the outer and inner wing. Now on a pencil brush, I grab that same shade Maniac, the darker brown that's in my crease, and I'm just applying it to my lower lash line. And next I'm gonna grab a small blending brush and blend it out to give it a really smoky look. And now we're all done. I felt like black hair was a better option than blonde for this look,